Today's Saturday, October 11th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado 3-prong variant kickdown switch, specific to the 67 Eldorado for my friend Scott in Colorado. And I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. We have a light bulb here looking for electrical continuity in each of the corresponding positions. So I'm connected to the power feed, and I'm going to go to position number 1, or position 0, and the light bulb comes on. Okay. Back now to position number 1. And if I check the other feed, nothing happens because we're in position number 1 where the light bulb comes on. Okay, so I'll go back now to the second prong and go down to position number 2, and the light bulb comes on. So that's the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado kickdown switch. This is the 3-prong variant. Okay, the unit has been completely disassembled and calibrated as depicted in video number 1. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set. This will be going to my friend Scott as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Eldorados from 1967 through 1978. Over 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including these 1967 specific 3-prong variant kickdown switches that mount onto the dashpot. Okay, so erroneously these are often referred to as a dashpot switch, but they're actually the kickdown switch, which is mounted on the dashpot. Today is Saturday, October 11th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.